Hello, welcome to our webcast on how to use our TimeClock application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make adjustments to users' time clocks. Okay, so I'm going to log in as an employee, and I'm going to do a punch out. And so now I've got a punch record for this employee called Ben. Now Ben came to me and he said that he forgot to punch in and out yesterday and wants me to add his time for yesterday. So as administrator, I can come in, I can log in as administrator, and I can click on the employees. And under Ben, I have an option to adjust his hours. So I'll click on Adjust Hours. And we can choose the type of adjustment. It could be adjustment, which is the default type. It can be time off, vacation, holiday, sick time, and personal. So we'll choose just a regular adjustment. And he said yesterday he worked, so we'll choose yesterday's date. Now, by default, you can just put in the number of hours that you want to adjust. In Ben's case, I want to add 8 hours to his time clock. There may be a situation where I need to subtract some hours. Maybe there is an erroneous entry that needs to be taken out. And in those situations, I can just put the negative number of hours. For example, I may need to subtract 2.3 hours, okay? And so that's what this is for. It's just a raw number of hours. You can click down here where it says use in out, and what that will do is it'll bring up an in-out calculator. And so when I choose that, now I can say that, okay, Ben came in at 8 o'clock, and notice I'm using a colon to separate the hours and minutes. And Ben went home at 5 o'clock. And so that would mean in military time, that would be 1700. Okay? And so it shows that from 8 to 1700 is a total of 9 hours. Okay? And the reason we're making this adjustment is because the new system needed to add previous hours. Okay? And now I can post those hours, and it shows that the hours have been posted. And at this point, I can make an adjustment for another adjustment for this employee, or I can just exit. I'm going to choose to exit. And now for Ben Smith, I'm going to view his time card. And you can see that the hours for yesterday, 5/11, have been added, 9 hours, with the note. And in parentheses, it shows the time, in-out time that I used to calculate those hours. So that's how you make a manual adjustment to an employee's time card.